I'd like to speak in defense of keeping Mr. Ritz as Canada's Agriculture Minister. I don't think most Canadians realize how important it is to have his face in front of our industry. If you have watched world news, you will see that there are tens of thousands of people in South Korea who are rioting because they don't want their government to allow imports of Western beef. Western meaning United States and Canada. If you also remember, when the Liberals did make government, our border was closed 3 times by George Bush for bad BSE tests. At that time, as he kept our border with America shut, they were also over in South Korea basically saying, well, American beef is really good, it's that Canadian beef that's poison. And of course, that didn't go over well because they didn't get their beef into South Korea either. And I guess when their government even thought about it, all of a sudden people started to riot. So while you may think that Mr. Ritz had something against Canadians, I doubt that. I kind of go with, gee, they're just incompetent and they want no regulations because the Western farmers don't want to spend the money on tests. Well, our beef and our minister isn't hurting us. Actually, I think it's the Americans who are going to suffer. Their beef won't be going to South Korea because they share a border with us. And as long as Mr. Ritz can keep Canadians dropping like flies in the streets, he reinforces the message that the South Korean people believe that something's wrong, that if they eat our stuff, they're going to start dropping like flies. So I think you're very wrong if you believe that just deregulating is the whole purpose of this. I think the purpose is to send that international message and let it be known. Canadian beef stands on its own, and it should be judged on its own. And we will export it to wherever they're not afraid. So far that rules out South Korea, and I haven't heard the Americans banging down our border saying send it to us. So I think maybe there's going to be some problems in the future.